Hi, my name is Makayla Gill, and today we're going to be conducting a presentation based on my service learning project, which was completed from the dates of March 3rd to March 21st. This presentation is going to contain information about the organization that I worked with and my takeaways from this internship. I hope you enjoy, and let's begin. For my service learning project, you had to complete 30 voluntary hours at a local organization, completing an administrative role. My organization of choice was Krispy Kreme, located on 302 North Pleasantburg Drive. My role during this internship was a bookkeeper. Job description. For a bookkeeper at Krispy Kreme, you need to be able to perform the following. You need to receive paperwork, orders, and documentation, organize, update, and disseminate information, plan a schedule for employees, update and verify payroll to ensure that all employees are paid correctly and on time. Job requirements. For this bookkeeper position, candidates need the following requirements to qualify. You need to have computer literacy, which is an understanding of how to use computers or PCs, knowledge of Microsoft systems, which include Word, Excel, and Access, good math skills, which include the ability to produce simple addition and subtraction, time management skills, and organizational skills. Project assignment. Now, during this internship, I was given a project by my on-site supervisor, which was to organize all financial documents that were used in this establishment. Those included job service invoices, which were just invoices that were given to us after a service was completed. It stated what the service was and how much it costed. Product invoices, order sheets, which were a detailed version of a product invoice, but it stated the product name and an order code. Receipts from purchases, and end-of-day cash prints. Now, to complete this project, I divided up all these documents by year, month, and date. After, I sectioned them off to make sure that each type was correctly labeled. Upon completing this, I filed them in chronological order so they were easier to find and made sure they were accessible to everyone. Next, we have completed tasks. There were a multitude of tasks that I completed in the duration of this internship, some of them being depositing checks, requesting money orders, and placing product orders. I also helped customers complete fundraising orders and completed check orders. Advantages and lessons. Since this internship contained tasks that are outside of my usual scope of responsibilities, it provided me with opportunities to learn and develop new skills. It enabled me to learn and sharpen new skills while strengthening skills that I currently have, and some of those are Microsoft skills, which include Word, Access, and Excel, organizational skills, time management skills, and literacy and numeracy skills. Completing my internship. This internship taught me new skills and provided me with the opportunity to strengthen the skills that I already possess. Assuming more responsibility in this internship allowed me to showcase my skills and accept new challenges. I enjoyed this internship experience and I anticipate the opportunity to use my newly found skills in my future endeavors. Thank you so much for joining me during this presentation, and I hope it was insightful and that you learned more about my internship.